My name is Rajat Khanna. I'm a faculty member at the management area and also the faculty director for the full-time MBA program. Our full-time MBA program is 2 years program with kind of multiple concentrations, including finance, marketing, accounting, management, innovation, depending on what the interests are for the students. The program is also STEM certified. That gives some credibility to the job that requires skills and expertise in the data analytics, and also makes it a little bit flexible if you are here on the visa in terms of finding a job after graduation. As soon as the student can join the full-time MBA program, they're assigned a team, and generally teams are based on their experience, their academic background. So you want to make sure that the teams have the diversity of experiences so they can kind of learn from each other and also learn to collaborate with people who are not from the same background or did not have the same experience as they had. So that has been a good experience. So they work with each other for like 4 months, working on real problems in a real company. So that also gives them a good understanding of how does it look like to work for a real company. The school also has access to the variety of the AI tools that the students can use. We have courses that teaches the students how to use the AI in a very practical way. I have them look at the problems of the companies are facing, and then I help them use the sort of AI tools to analyze the data and inform those strategic decisions, like something that they would do in the real world as well once they graduate. And we're trying to make it a lot more practical than average in terms of how students can use that once they graduate and working in real jobs. We are seeing the quality of the students improving, and professionally and academically they are doing better and better every year. We do care a lot about the success of the students. Our goal is not to increase the cohort size. Our goal is to improve the placements of the students and also the academic learning. Keeping these two things in mind, we are kind of designing everything around that. And I think because we have a smaller cohort, we're able to do that more successfully. We are able to customize our attention to the students, which can be very helpful. And also New Orleans is a very fun place.